petals whisper in the breeze, secrets tangled between the trees. Their quiet tones, a gentle plea to see the world as it should be. They break the dawn with colors bright, a velvet touch that holds the light. Yet shadows linger in their sway, a fleeting dance of night and day. Oh, the whispers call so sweet, guiding hearts where worlds can meet. A thorn may pierce a fleeting trust, a fleeting dance of night and day. Oh, the whispers call so sweet, guiding hearts where worlds can meet. A thorn may pierce a fleeting trust, but beauty blooms beyond the dust. Love's embrace in fragile hue, each thorn a story breaking through. A strength that rises fierce and strong in fleeting blooms where hearts belong. Under moonlight they confide, stories soft with nothing to hide, held by roots but reaching free, a whispered hymn of harmony. The petals speak, the heart aligns, a language lost to fleeting minds. Yet in their quiet, flaming art, they etch their voice on every heart.